Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I've got a really cool idea for you. We're going to be making baked tacos, and while you would think, why are you baking them? This is a really great way to make tacos for a crowd. Get it all done at one time, pop them in the oven, have them all ready at one time. Everybody just comes along, grabs a couple of tacos, and tops them with whatever you have laying out for them. This is a really great idea, and I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're going to make some baked tacos. Now, somebody might say, why are you going to bake them? Well, this is a way to get all your tacos done at one time and have them ready all at one time. And then people just can come, grab the taco, and then you'll have all your fillings ready or your toppings ready, and they can just go to town. Lettuce, tomato, sour cream, salsa, avocado, whatever you like. What we're going to do is I showed you in another video how we make our taco filling. This is our beef and bean taco filling. And then I showed you in another video how we make our homemade flour tortillas. I went ahead and I lined up 6 flour tortillas. I folded them so they're kind of propping each other up in here. All you have to do, this may seem pretty basic, and you know, it kind of is, but this is a really great way to get it all done and you don't have to think about it. Especially if you're gonna serve to a crowd. This is a great way if you're gonna have a party. This is great for like game day, or you can go ahead and make these up super quick and you have them ready to go and just pop them in the oven and everybody's happy. People can just come along and serve themselves. This is great for a buffet or anytime you want to have tacos. Okay, and once we get all the meat filling done, we can just go in with our cheese. I don't know about you, but I love it when the cheese is nice and melted. So sometimes when you make a taco, it's not always gonna melt, but this way it's definitely gonna be melted, and it can be super cheesy if that's how you want it to be. So this is just gonna be popped in a 350-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese is melted. And we are using flour tortillas today. These are gonna get a little bit crispy when you bake them in the oven like that. If you want to, you can definitely line up some corn tortillas in here, or if you like to buy the taco shells from the store, get the ones with the flat bottoms, and you're in like Flynn. It's easy peasy. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna pop this in the oven for, like I said, 10 to 15 minutes, and when they're ready to go, I'll bring you back and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, our baked tacos have come out of the oven. They were in there for just about 10 minutes, 350, until the cheese melted and the tortilla has gotten just a little bit crispy on the edge, and it's not soggy on the bottom. You can see it's just perfect. They look gorgeous, and you know, you can have all of your taco toppings ready to go. You could have more cheese, sour cream, salsa, lettuce, tomato, chopped green onion, avocado, guacamole, whatever you want. I'm gonna let you decide how you top yours. I'm just gonna let you see how they look as they came out of the oven. I am super impressed with how they look, and there's really even very minimal mess in the bottom of the casserole dish. These are rather hot, but the best part here, I love this because you can get a nice portion of taco filling in there with a good amount of cheese, and it's kind of encapsulated all together. And then when you go to put your toppings in there, the meat and the cheese is not gonna fall out. It's all gonna be kind of compacted in there because it baked together a little bit while it was exposed to that heat. So that's baked tacos. How easy is that? I love this idea. You think about how you can make a big bunch of these for a tailgate, or for New Year's Eve, or for game day. I think it's brilliant. I hope you give this a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.